Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to customize phone sleep time, and guys, how can you customize your screen timeout in your Xiaomi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel and you're watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So as you can see, my phone screen off only just second. But how can you customize this setting? So first of all open your phone setting and guys scroll, and guys you can see your lock screen setting, tap here, and guys you can see this lock screen setting sleep, tap here. So as you can see 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute guys, you can customize, you can set yourself. So example we will take this 10 minute. So after 10 minutes guys, my phone screen will off, otherwise not guys. Suppose guys your phone screen is on, so it will not off like before 10 minutes. After 10 minutes guys, it will off. So I hope friends you have understood how to customize screen timeout, means guys phone sleep time in Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.